This is the DeWys Manufacturing sorting machine senior project. Here's some background information on the project. DeWys uses silicone caps and plugs on their powder coating line to protect any critical hardware from being destroyed by the powder coating. These silicone caps and plugs are used, but in order to reuse them, they must first be cleaned in a tumbling machine using ceramic abrasive media. Currently, these caps and plugs are sorted by hand from the ceramic media, and then they are sorted by part number. DeWys Manufacturing has requested that an automated sorting machine be designed and built to automatically sort the caps and plugs from the ceramic media and sort the caps and plugs into their size ranges. Some key specifications for this project were that the machine had to sort with less than 5% air, had to sort with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.02 inches, it must be semi-portable and on wheels, and it must fit within a 5 by 10 footprint. The sorting is done by two different methods using two separate modules. The first module, which is the fluid bath module, will sort by density, and it'll allow the silicone parts to be sorted from the abrasive media. The second module, the diverging rollers module, will sort by outermost diameter, and will sort the silicone parts into bins by their size range. A mixture of parts enter the stage of sorting via a vibrating hopper. They're dropped into a flowing current of water, where the ceramic parts fall very quickly and are collected by a custom basket we have designed, and the silicone parts flow with the current and are separated from the water via a mesh strainer, and they're moved to the next stage. Another vibrating hopper brings parts into the diverging rollers module, where two rollers at a diverting angle and downward angle allow parts to travel between the gap between them. As the parts travel further, the gap gets larger, allowing smaller parts to fall near the beginning and larger parts to fall towards the end. And these fall into bins where they are collected and put back into storage. As of today, construction on the original design has been finished, and both of the modules have been preliminarily tested. During testing, we have determined that slight modifications needed to be made on both modules to ensure that they function correctly. Following completion of these modifications, full testing will be done, and the machine will be delivered to the customer. We've been faced with a lot of challenges on this project, including the electrical design, having long lead times on critical components, mounting the diverging rollers and aligning them, and mating some of the fluid bath components. However, we have done a great job on overcoming these challenges. Following completion of our modifications, retesting will be done on each module separately to ensure that our changes have been successful. Following this, both of the modules will be tested simultaneously, and then each module will be fine-tuned to ensure that we have full functionality of our project.